In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new contacts in Microsoft Teams. Adding contacts is a simple process that can enhance your communication and collaboration by making it easier to reach out to the people you frequently connect with. Ensuring that your contact list is up to date means you'll have instant access to colleagues, team members, and other important contacts whenever you need them. So, whether you're new to Teams or just looking to streamline your communication process, let's dive right in. To begin, let's navigate to Microsoft Teams. Once you have Teams open, you'll want to locate the Calls icon, which can be found on the left sidebar. Clicking on this icon will take you to the Calls section, which is your hub for managing and making all of your calls in Teams. Here, you'll see an overview of your call activity, any voicemails you may have, and easy access to your contacts. Next, look towards the top of this window, where you'll find several tabs. We want to focus on the Contacts tab, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Contacts section, it's time to add someone new. You should notice an icon at the top of the left window right beside the word People. In some versions, this may be labeled as a plus New Contact button. Click on this, and a dialog box will appear where we can input new contact details. Now, in the dialog that pops up, you'll see fields where you can type the person's name, phone number, or email. Here's something very convenient. If the individual you're adding is part of your organization's directory, Teams will automatically suggest their details. This feature is a real time saver, as it minimizes the possibility of errors when entering the contact information yourself. If you see the correct suggestion, go ahead and select that person. However, if you're adding someone from outside your organization, or if Teams doesn't suggest the person you are looking for, you will need to enter their details manually. This might include a phone number and email address. It's important to ensure that all of this information is accurate, as it will be used to contact them directly from Teams. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, the next step is to save this contact. You'll do this by clicking on the Add or Save button. Again, the wording might vary slightly depending on your version, but they serve the same purpose. Clicking this will complete the process, and the contact will now appear in your contacts list, making them easily accessible whenever you need to start a conversation, call, or even initiate a group meeting. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a new contact in Microsoft Teams. This small task can greatly improve your efficiency and communication workflow within your organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.